Hi there, it's Lori. I'm going to show you today how to make this cool curved text shape to fit into this template. It's a Cindy Schneider Half Pack 19, the second template. It actually was a 12 by 12, and when I pulled it onto my 12 by 12 layout, I just copied it, pasted it onto my 11 by 8.5 and resized everything just so that it fit in there nicely. But I'm going to show you how I take this text, I've already typed it all out, and I am going to fit it perfectly so that it makes the curved shapes just like that. So first of all, I've obviously got the text box and I need to change this shape. But before I change the shape, I'm going to go over to alignment and I'm going to change it to this one on the far right. So it fills all the way right and left. And I'll just do that to this one too. And then we need to change the shape completely. So first of all, if I go to shape, I can select a shape from an art kit and I can go down and get a circle. That's the easiest way to start since this is a circle. And then with that circle, what I'm going to do is scroll down while it's highlighted. I'm going to scroll down and get the circle shape underneath to just generally start fitting it the way it needs to go. So arrange, and I'll click and have it exactly the same basic shape that it needs to be. But I just want, generally speaking, the right circular feel for that. Okay, now at this point, what I'm going to do is right mouse over the box. I'm going to say shape, edit shape. When I do this, each one of these little points here becomes live, so I can start moving it around. And when I did this one, I grabbed the middle one all the way down and brought it up to the line where I want the bottom of my text to end up. And then on each one of these other little points, I right mouse and delete, 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 until I've only got a couple left. With the couple that I've got left, I'm going to grab them and pull them up and put them again just on that line. This is my guide to see how I want that to be. And then I'm going to add a point and pull this down. Now over here on this side, delete. So I'm right mouse, delete, and delete. And then with this one, I'll pull it up. And again over here. And then I will add another point right there. So you can see that I've worked this up so that it's around the right area. And now I need to take all of this text, so I have to say okay to that. I need to take all of that text and put it down on the right layer, the correct layer. So I'm going to take the black text that's underneath it, and I'm going to group and ungroup so that it's down where it needs to be. I'll go ahead and delete that black text that was on there so you can just see this. And the reason that all of that text popped out around these different points here, not this one, not this flower, but the yellow flower, see how it went out around? And this white word tag, it went around, and that leaf, it's because on each one of those I had done right mouse and I went to text, wrapping, and element shape. So you can see on this one it doesn't have it, so I will say text, wrapping, element shape. And it's going to push those words out. So now I just need to really do just a little bit of fine-tuning on that and make it fill in exactly how I want it to.